Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 19th, 2017, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, we're going to be starting out with the USD building permits coming out of the United States at 2:30 South African time. And at 4:30 South African time, we have weekly inventory numbers coming out for oil. And we'll look at that in just a moment. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July set. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 19th, 2017, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, we're looking at 2:30 South African time, building permits coming out of the United States, and then at 4:30 South African time, we have weekly oil inventories, and we'll look at that in just a moment. Let's see what's been happening in the markets today. We're going to start here with the Euro USD on a weekly chart, and as you can see, we're still maintaining our trend line upwards, although we've retraced a little bit in the last couple of days, just yesterday with the market selling off, as you can see here, but it's still very strong and above 115. Okay, that's a major level for the Euro USD. So let's see if we can continue this trend upwards or at least maintain it. As you can see, this is my trend line in a shorter version, but and we're a considerable amount away from that. We're almost about 80 pips away from it. So as long as we maintain this level, I think we'll continue going up. Okay, now I think we can retrace down to 115-ish level, another 43 pips, and then maybe possibly going back up. But you got to keep up with the momentum to see how that unfolds. Looking at the GBP USD, a sharper retracement, also holding the line. Okay, this would be a really good, strong support level right here at 130.34. As you can see previously, we had a couple of resistance levels here. So this might be a very good support level right here to pick this up on the anticipation it's going to bounce. Okay, so if you haven't been into it until now, you could jump into it now. Looking at gold, we've retraced a little bit, 1241. We bounced just a little bit yesterday, only 2 points, and we're still trading at 1241. So not much to say about it. But looking at oil, oil's been quite wacky lately. Okay, it's been in a decent volatile move yesterday, the past couple of days, going from 47 down to 43, and now bouncing back up at 46.44. So keep an eye on this, as it's not trending, okay, but it is trading somewhat in a range, okay, with the extremities at 47 and 42 and a half-ish level. Okay, there's money to be made in it. Now we're closer to the top of this resistance level. If weekly numbers and data comes out that we have a lot of supply of oil, surely the prices will continue to fall. So keep an eye on that as well. JSE and the indices across the board sold off yesterday. We're going to look at the Dow Jones in just a moment, but as you can see, we sold off nicely. 47,184 we're settling at, so it's almost a 300-point move in the JSE yesterday. So that's a booking there. Now we're looking here at a 4-hour chart of the Dow Jones. As you can see, we had a sharp sell-off yesterday, and after hours as well, down to 21,435. But we're bouncing right back, and we're at this, if you call it, support level. Okay, we had this a little bit of a resistance here before, managing to break above it to 21,610 all-time highs for the Dow Jones. Now we're about 90 points away from it, and we're getting into the latter part of the summer. Okay, August, September, October are usually sell months, and part of November are usually historically sell months for the market. So we got to keep a sharp eye on this to see if there's going to be somewhat of a correction as we enter the latter part of the summer. Looking at the DAX sold off much harder, as you can see here, and also trading at somewhat of a previous support level as well. So things are being followed by the Dow Jones. Dow Jones really taking the lead in this. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.